How to make Game Pass and please donate. So first you just have to log into your Roblox account and then look for create and that is next to marketplace. Tap this one here. And then what you want to do next is to simply look for a dashboard. Okay, dashboard is next to creator hub. Tap this one here. And then you have to look for experiences or create experience. So you just have to tap this one here. Now, after that, you have to scroll down on the left side and look for passes. Okay, so as you can see, this is my place, and I have to scroll down and look for passes, which is this one. Tap this. Now, what you want to do next is to click this create a pass. Now you can upload your own image. If you don't like, then there is this given or default image here. So this is what it looks like, and you can change the name of this image, and you can also add description if you want to. And once done, what you want to do next is to simply click create pass. Okay, so you have to make sure that this one is or this item is for sale. So you have to click again this pass that you have created, tap sales. Okay, item for sale, turn this one on, and you have to enter the amount here. As you can see, creator earning 70%. Okay, and then tap save changes. Now, what you want to do next is to go to your Roblox and then look for please donate, and then you have to get our own stand by just pressing the E. Okay, and then claim a stand there, and then after that you can now see your game pass once you claim that stall and please donate. And that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.